Hi guys, I'm Abha and this is my new favorite place to record. Okay, getting to point. Today we are making a trinket dish which is in shape of a Monstera leaf. Now, many of you may not know what a trinket dish is because it is not a really widely used term. Trinkets are your little jewelry pieces like earrings, rings, bracelets, and a trinket dish is something that you keep on your bedside or your dressing table, in your washroom maybe, where you can put these little trinkets in the dish while you are away so that they don't go missing here and there. And hey, I want to tell you that I am uploading pretty frequently now, like at least twice a week, DIY tutorials like this one. I have a bunch of amazing ideas that I'm going to put on a regular basis, so please subscribe to the channel to make sure that you not miss on those. And there's this thing called comments. Guys, please leave your comments. Where in the world are you? Get in touch, tell me how you like these videos, what you like about them, what you don't like about them, and do you try these ideas? I'd really like to get in touch with you guys. And well, Instagram sees it first, so the Instagram and Facebook links are in the description if you want to check that out too. Let us get to making this.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Okay, I need to mention this that I made it very thin because I wanted it to be delicate, leaf like. But if you want something sturdy and with a thicker base, what you can do is when you roll the clay, just make sure that it is of the thickness that you want before cutting the shape out, and everything else remains the same. So this is the thing with DIY. It gives you that freedom that You don't need to settle for anything less than what you want. And I'll see you next time.